Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov for today being 24th of September 2024. Like I always say, the most important thing about this game is placing the tiles in the correct orders. The headshot on the tiles in the correct order. So let's get into it. For today, the first one will be this. The second one would be this. The third one would be this. And guys, if you find this video helpful in any way, please, I beg you, just support me and by subscribing to this channel. If you find this video any valuable or you get any value from this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I make these videos and I upload them, you would be the first to get them. The last of them for today being 24th will be this. So the order for today in simple terms will be 5, 7, 8, 9. 5, 7, 8, 9. 5, 7, 8, 9. Thank you for staying with me on this one. I will see you on the next. Don't forget again to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.